INTZ stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Intrusion stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. And Intrusion kind of kept going down. You know, I'm aware that it's like 45% up on Friday, but you also have to be aware that it has retraced quite hard, like from the beginning here though. Like it went from 4 to like almost to 178, and then it's kind of back to, let's say, relatively okay prices. I mean, Context have done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands on courses and mentorships, and they documented everything. And relatively speaking, with INTZ, the only last thing that I want to see is a second break above 356. Like without seeing that, then I just am not gonna capitalize on this or just, you know, get involved. So that's my 2 cents. It's not financial advice neither, you know. So as we just keep consolidating inside this demand area, so be it. Other than that, I'll continue to keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.